Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create snowballing effect in InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to open a project I have just created. I'm going to go to the video, and this is my project guys. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to add snowballing effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu right here, and then select the effect and go to the weather category. You can scroll all the way to the right around here and then select the weather. Okay, and select the snow. Okay, and as you can see guys that the snowballing effect has been created, and I'm going to increase the value. Okay, and click on this check mark, and I'm going to make this effect align with my video, so I'm going to drag it. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create snowballing effect in InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.